today we're gonna go to Reegan. Okay. It was pretty here. I think you know. Hello, did you miss me? Well, it's voice over me. This is VidCon, inside VidCon. In this clip, I think we're gonna go to the diner Discord thing. So, yeah, I think we already went there. Oh, wait, we're in line. Never mind. So this is what I got. I got a cloud rainbow and this mouse hamster robot thing. Let's go in the mystery outer space cutie cave thing. I don't know what it's called. Just don't bother me. Okay, we're inside. I just found a secret in here. Uh-oh. This is my dad, pretending he does not know where he is, and he's around food galaxy things.
Good thing I didn't take mushrooms.
I have something to ask you. Do you have 17 seconds on your schedule for me talking? Okay, good. This area is, a little hangout area. In the last video, we came here and, we took the pictures here. Ah, so soft. That's actually what I said.
There's baseball in the spring, swimming in the summer, jumping on the leaves in the...
This is me very awkwardly filling up the cup. I'm like, I'm just gonna, I'm getting a lid. Yay, I'm getting a lid. Okay. And I put the lid on. Oh, and did you know my mom said don't spill it when I wasn't gonna spill it? It had a lid on it. And then I'm drinking it, smiles, and then walking somewhere mysterious. Well, I mean, do I know where I am? Like, I'm like, okay, where am I?
I won't get tired.
Welcome to VidCon.
Fall, sliding in the winter, but while the seasons change, we've been dancing all year long. It doesn't matter what's going on outside. If there's a beat, then we will be moving to it. And that beat does not have to be complicated.
Think a little bit. We're gonna go to the fan house, which is over there. I'll show you. Right there. You get it? Fan. The fan, like you fan yourself, and the fans were like, I can fan. Here we go to the fan house. Okay, we're walking. Okay, are we there yet? 3, 2, 1, we're there! Okay, the fan house, connect with fans. Can you see anything in there? Is there fans?
Let's dance. I can't stop moving. Let's
I mean, literally. Hear this clip. Okay, so I took my tattoo plastic thing off, sticky tape, and it turned out like this. It's so cool. By the way, in a while we might be heading back to the hotel, so I'm just gonna not film anything right now until we get back to the hotel, probably, because I'm really tired of filming. I'm sorry. Hello. Okay. We're in the very, very, very long process of this YouTube Shorts line drive-through, and it took so long. It took like an hour and a half in the shade, like barely in the shade. And I was so tired. I was like so tired. So yeah. That is what I was like. Speed it up by quick time lapse. This was on Sunday, I believe, and I think we were going to the beach. Wait, we were. We're almost there. And we had Uber on all the drives because we didn't have a car. This is the beach!